In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily uncrop a photo on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Now, first off, let me show you how we can easily crop a photo, and after that, I'm gonna show you how we can easily uncrop it. To crop a photo, open it up, then tap at Edit to activate Edit mode, and then towards the bottom of the screen, you can easily find that crop tool. After that, we can just pinch our photo, and also using our two fingers we can move our photo within that frame. And once we are satisfied with the result, to save the changes we can tap at Done. As you can see, now the photo is cropped. To uncrop that photo and revert it back to original state, all you have to do is head over to Edit mode and then tap right here at Revert and then Revert to Original. What that will do, that will restore the original photo as it was before. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.